Oak Ridge National Lab's history is fascinating. Some of the best brains on the planet have literally been here, and I feel really honored to be in a place where the best minds have worked and have produced great science. My most favorite thing about the lab are the people. I mean, definitely the big tools that we have here, but definitely the people and the intellectual capital that we have in this place. And I find ORNL as one of the best places really on the planet to give back. The biggest measure of success really is when somebody is actually using it and is coming back with a story that illustrates how it has made a difference.